Welcome back to my channel. The Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 stands as a legendary symbol of rugged reliability and off-road prowess. Produced between 1960 and 1984, the FJ40 carved its name into automotive history as one of the most iconic 4x4 vehicles ever built. Originally designed to compete with the Willys Jeep, the FJ40 evolved into a global workhorse, trusted by adventurers, military forces, farmers, and off-road enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, the FJ40 was powered by a range of bulletproof inline-six engines, most notably the 3.9 LF series and later the 4.2 L2F engine, both known for their durability and simplicity. These engines were matched with robust manual transmissions and a part-time four-wheel drive system that provided excellent traction and control on all types of terrain. Whether crawling over rocky trails or navigating through muddy backroads, the FJ40 always felt at home. Its design was both functional and timeless. With a short wheelbase, boxy shape, round headlights, and exposed steel bumpers, the FJ40's utilitarian look has aged like fine wine. The interior was no nonsense, with easy-to-clean surfaces and minimal electronics, everything a serious off-roader could want. Over the years, various configurations were offered, including soft top, hard top, pickup, and even troop carrier versions, making the FJ40 adaptable to a wide range of uses. What truly sets the FJ40 apart is its legacy. It's not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of adventure and endurance. Even decades after production ceased, the FJ40 enjoys a passionate following around the world. Restored models and custom builds fetch high prices at auctions, while original examples continue to roam the earth in remote corners where reliability matters most. Toyota's commitment to quality and durability made the FJ40 an international success story, helping the Land Cruiser brand grow into one of the most respected in the SUV segment today. For those who own one or have driven one, the FJ40 isn't just a truck, it's an experience, a connection to the past, and a reminder that simple engineering done right can stand the test of time. Whether you're a collector, a traveler, or just an admirer of automotive history, the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is a machine that deserves every bit of its legendary status.